Create an artsy sketch effect in seconds with the use of the little-known minimum filter. Hi, this is Karen Schultz from Digital Scrapper, the very best place on the web to find complete and professional instruction for digital scrapbooking. We help you get your stories told. This video is being filmed in Photoshop Elements, but the instructions are exactly the same for Adobe Photoshop except where noted. Begin in expert mode. To follow along exactly, open the photo in the download, or you can use one of your own photos. Photos that work best typically do not have a busy background and are high in contrast. The first step is to duplicate your photo so you aren't working with the original. In the menu bar, choose File, Duplicate to create a copy. Photoshop users choose Image Duplicate. In the dialog box, click OK and close the original document without saving. And now we're ready to create our sketch. Press Ctrl J, Mac users Command J to create a duplicate layer. In the menu bar, choose Enhance, Adjust Color, Remove Color. Photoshop users choose Image Adjustments Desaturate. Press Ctrl J, Mac users Command J to create a duplicate layer of the desaturated photo. In the menu bar, choose Filter, Adjustments, Invert. Photoshop users choose Image Adjustments Invert. In the Layers panel, change the blend mode of the inverted layer to Color Dodge. This is going to change your document to white, and we expect that, so that is perfectly fine. In the menu bar, choose Filter, Other, Minimum. In the dialog box, set the radius between 1 and 3 pixels. 2 pixels usually works the best. Go ahead and click OK. Photoshop users will set the preserve to squareness. Now we'll fine-tune the sketch. In the menu bar, choose Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and Levels. In the dialog box, click OK. And you will move your mid-tone slider to the right or the left depending on if you want to lighten or darken your image. Going to the right, you're going to darken it a little bit, and to the left, you're going to lighten it a little bit. You need to be really careful here because your image can get wonky really quickly, and many times you don't even need to adjust it at all. I'm going to move it over just a little bit, and I think that is absolutely fine. Here's a layout I created using my sketch. If you'd like to learn more about Photoshop Elements or Adobe Photoshop, or if you'd like to fill in the gaps of your learning, check out Quick Learn by Linda Satgast. You'll find a link to this class as well as a coupon code in the manual that accompanies this video. So that's how you create an artsy sketch effect in seconds with the use of the little-known minimum filter. This has been Karen Schultz for Digital Scrapper.